Welcome to our CADD Tech Solutions, a professional training center offering industry-oriented courses. We provide mechanical design training. Our civil design courses, we also offer electrical design training. Along with this, we provide IT courses. At our CADD Tech Solutions, we are a professional training center dedicated to shaping careers in industry-oriented engineering software. We focus on practical training, real-time projects, and hands-on experience to help students, graduates, and working professionals gain job-ready skills. Our courses are designed by industry experts, covering the latest tools and technologies used in today's engineering and design fields. Our mission is simple: quality training, expert guidance, and career-focused education. So subscribe to our CADD Tech Solutions and start building your future with us today.